Hey, have you ever walked into a room, opened your mouth to speak English, and then nothing? Just silence?
Oh my God, yes, all the time. Your brain just freezes, right?
Exactly. It's like my brain goes on vacation without telling me. I know the words, but they don't come out. It's the worst feeling.
It really is. It happens to everyone, Martin, even advanced speakers. But you know what helps?
Please tell me, a magic potion?
I wish, no. It's having ready to go sentences, phrases you don't have to think about. You just say them.
Ah, like muscle memory.
And today, we are giving you the most useful ones. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today is day 14. We are almost halfway there.
Hey guys, I'm Martin, and wow, day 14. That is awesome.
And I'm Kate. Today is special because we aren't just learning words, we are learning full sentences, 100 daily use sentences. Well, okay, maybe not all 100 right now, but the most important ones.
Yeah, the ones you actually need, not the cat is on the table. I never use that.
Exactly. Real sentences for real life. So if you like this kind of content, please hit that like button. It really helps us.
And subscribe. We post new episodes regularly. You don't want to miss them.
Totally. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's boost your English.
So let's start at the beginning of the day. Kate, are you a morning person?
Honestly, I'd try to be, but usually I need about 20 minutes before I can speak.
Ah, same. Story of my life. So the first sentence everyone needs is, I need coffee.
Yes, that is essential. Or maybe I'm running late.
Oh, I use that one every day. I'm running late. It means you are not on time.
Right. And when you are running late, you usually ask this question: Have you seen my keys?
Or, where is my phone? I lose my phone 5 times a day.
Only 5? That's good for you. Okay, here's another good one for the morning. I overslept.
Ooh, that's a dangerous one. That means you slept too long, right? You missed your alarm.
Exactly. Sorry I'm late. I overslept. It happens.
Yeah, and then when you're finally leaving the house, you shout, I'm heading out.
Nice one. I'm heading out. It just means I am leaving now. It's very natural.
Totally. Okay, so wait, Kate, I have to interrupt you.
What's wrong?
Nothing. It's time for a question. I'm going to surprise you. If you could only have one breakfast for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh, wow. Good question. Probably avocado toast. I know, it's boring, but I love it. What about you?
Pizza. Cold pizza from the night before.
You are terrible. Breakfast of champions. Okay, moving on. You have your coffee, you left the house, now you see a friend.
Right. We need greetings. Obviously, how are you is fine, but it's a bit boring.
Totally. Try this one. How's it going?
How's it going? I love that one. It sounds very relaxed.
Or if you haven't seen them in a while, long time no see.
Long time no see. That is a classic. And then you ask, what have you been up to?
That is a great phrase. It means, what did you do recently? What have you been up to?
And the answer? Usually it's just not much.
Yeah, not much, just working. We are boring creatures.
But Kate, what if I want to end the conversation? Sometimes I see someone, I say hello, but I need to go. I feel awkward.
That is a really common problem. You need an exit phrase.
An exit phrase. I like that.
Try this. I better get going.
I better get going. Nice. It's polite. It says I need to leave, but nicely.
Exactly. Or, it was good to see you.
It was good to see you. And then you run away?
Walk, don't run. Walk away confidently.
Got it. Walk, don't run.
Okay, Martin, my turn. Random question time. What is the weirdest thing you have in your pocket right now? Or in your bag?
My pocket? Let me check. Okay, I have a receipt from 3 weeks ago for a donut.
A 3-week-old donut receipt?
Hey, it's a memory, a delicious memory.
Okay, back to business. This next section is super important for beginners.
Is it the help, I'm panicked section?
Basically, it's what to say when you don't understand.
This is my favorite category because I often don't understand things.
Me too, honestly. So, number one, could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that? Very important. Or simpler, say that again?
Yes. And if they are speaking too fast, which happens a lot in movies or with native speakers, you say, could you speak slower, please?
Please add the please. It helps.
Definitely. Now, what if you hear the word but you don't know the meaning?
Then I ask, what does that mean?
What does that mean? Perfect.
I use that one a lot. Sometimes I use it even when I do know the meaning, just to buy time, to think.
That is actually a really smart trick. It gives your brain a few seconds to catch up.
Exactly. Another good one is, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that. It means I didn't hear it correctly. It's very natural.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. It sounds very smooth, like you are cool even though you're confused.
Totally. Fake it till you make it, right?
Bingo.
Also, if you want to check if you understand, you can say, does that make sense?
Ah, wait, that is when I'm speaking, right?
Yes, you explain something and then you ask, does that make sense, to check if the other person understands you.
I use that all the time. Usually people look at me like I'm crazy, but I still ask.
Yeah, not much, just working. We are boring creatures.
Okay, Kate, let's say I want to hang out with you. I want to invite you to eat more avocado toast.
Always.
How do I ask?
Simple as best. Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend? Or maybe, do you want to grab coffee?
Do you want to grab coffee? We use grab a lot for food and drinks. It's casual.
Yeah, grab a burger, grab a drink.
Now, imagine I am busy. I can't just say no. That is rude.
Yeah, do you want coffee? No. That hurts my feelings.
So we need polite refusals. Try this. I'd love to, but I can't.
I'd love to, but I can't. That softens the blow.
Or maybe next time.
Maybe next time. I use that when I'm just lazy and want to stay home.
Martin, you shouldn't lie.
Hey, staying home is a plan.
Okay, fair point. Another good one is, I'm afraid I'm busy.
I'm afraid I'm busy. You aren't actually scared, right?
No, no, I'm afraid here just means I am sorry to say. It's polite English.
Got it. Okay, Kate, stop everything.
What?
Question time. What is a movie that everyone loves but you hate?
Ooh, that is controversial. Okay, don't kill me in the comments, guys. I didn't like Avatar.
The blue people one?
Yeah, it was just too long. I fell asleep.
Wow. Okay, I won't judge you. Much.
What about you?
Horror movies. All of them. I can't do it. I scream like a baby.
Okay, we have a little bit of time left. Let's do a quick shopping round.
I love shopping. Spending money is my talent.
Of course it is. So, first question, how much is this?
Classic. How much is this? And if it's too expensive?
It's a little out of my budget.
Ooh, fancy. It's a little out of my budget.
And when you pay, you ask, do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards? Or simply card or cash?
Exactly. And finally, when you are leaving the store or a restaurant, keep the change.
Keep the change. That makes me feel like a rich person in a movie. Keep the change, my good man.
You are enjoying this too much. Okay, guys, wow, that was a lot of sentences.
It was. My brain is full.
So here is our advice. Don't try to memorize all 100 sentences today. You will go crazy.
Exactly. Pick 5. Just 5 sentences from today that you like. Write them down.
And use them. Talk to your dog, talk to your mirror, talk to us.
Speaking of talking to us, we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments what is one thing you are going to do this weekend. Use the phrase, I'm going to.
I'm going to sleep. I'm going to study. Tell us your plan.
We really want to know and we read all the comments, so don't be shy.
Exactly. We love hearing from you guys.
Okay, so guys, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
And remember, progress, not perfection.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, help them out. Share the love.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, everyone.